Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back with another videos. In today's videos, I'll show you guys how to implement AI automations for your SaaS business. Okay, let's get started. Alright you guys, so if you have not watched my last videos on how you can create a web hosting business with SaaStank.io, basically watch that videos and you get a better ideas of what we are building in this channel. Basically, I'm a website designer. I built a website builder so that I can host and manage my clients' websites and automate my website design business by pre-builds of these websites templates, website packages, and offer it to local businesses. Doing it this way, I get to retain the customer to stay with my business longer, and it's make things so much easier for me to manage my clients' websites and troubleshoot any issues they might have. So by offering my web hosting and management services, the customers pay me a small fee on a monthly basis. So by doing it this way, I get to automate my business because with the web hosting business, there's very little maintenance. So let's jump on my computer so I can show you how to add AI automations assistant to your customer website so that you can add more value for your customer business. Alright you guys, as you can see on my screen, this is SaaStank.io. If you have not signed up for the web hosting business, this is where you can easily sign up for the web hosting network. Right here they have a few network already pre-built for us. Let's say for this SaaS bot right here, we can go right here to check out the demo, or we can click right here to sign up for this network right here. Just simply choose your username and go through the account creation process. Then you'll be able to have all of these login informations sent to you via email, and you'll be able to log into your network. So basically, I already signed up for the network. This is not my network, but all you have to do is just enter the URL right here. Okay, as you can see, I already signed in. But basically, this is one of the network. You have the template library where you'll be able to preview of these websites templates right here. Okay, so let's check out this template right here. The user can click right here to check out this template. They can browse it on different screen size right here, as you can see, and they can check out different theme right here. But as you can see, this is the online store where they can sell the bicycle. And if you take a look down here, the user can click right here to chat with the business owner. And if the business owner is busy, AI will automatically answer all the questions that their customer might have. So let's say this is their online store and we want to get a recommendation. For example, okay, I'm gonna ask the AI that I'm a new beginner. Can you recommend me a bicycle, right?
Yes, we recommend the Cryo X26 MTB, Model K, Cryo X26 MTB, Model Y, Cryo X26 MTB, Model Z, and Cryo X26 MTB, Model X. These are all great options for beginners.
Okay, so let's add AI a more advanced questions, right? So for example, how much is this model right here? Okay, so the AI just responds to us that this model is priced as $350. So as you can see over here, this is the model and this is the price of this product right here. So any contents on your websites, AI will know and it will answers to the customers accordingly, right? So let's say if you want to ask the AI for the link of this product, can you give me the link to this product? I'm ready to buy, for example, right? And it will answers the customers with the right informations to help the conversions rate of this online store. This is a great way you can add a lot of value for your customers, and because this is very high tech, the customer will most likely stay with your agencies a very long time. Because if you think about it, the persons that open a business, they are planning to stay in business for a long time. And if you build a website for a local business, right, the longer they stay in business, the longer they will stay with you. So just make sure you offer high quality services so that they can stay with you for a long time. And as you can see right here, the AI just answers with the right link. As you can see right here, people can click right here. It will take them to a different page where the user will be able to choose the products, and they can add this products to their cart, and they can check out, right? And let's say the business owner, they like this template right here. They can simply click right here to sign up for this template. All right, so in this video I'll show you guys how to add AI automations assistant to these templates right here, so that the users will be able to sign up for these templates right here. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard, or we can hover over the my sites right here. Right here we have a bunch of preview sites. For example, if we have a restaurant, we can go to the restaurant templates, and we can go to the plugin. So for all of these SaaS Tank network is come with this AI automations plugins, where you'll be able to go in here, you can activate the plugin, and you can do some configurations, and just like that you'll be able to offer AI automations to your customer. Okay, as you can see, this is our plugin. Activate this plugin right here, and as you can see over here we have the helper. We can click on the settings right here. So the first thing we need to do is we are going to go over the bot features right here, and we are going to check open AI right here. We can click right here to save the changes. Okay, now as you can see down here we have the AI tab. We can click right here. Now all we have to do is just get open AI API key, and we can just simply click right here to go to open AI platform. And you will need the account, but since I already have the account, all I have to do is just log in, and we can click right here to create a new key. For example, restaurant. Just give it a name and create to get the key. And just like that, we have the key right here. We can copy this key right here, and we can just paste this in right here. Now we can save the changes. Okay, so we have a bunch of settings. We can just go through the general settings. Okay, so we have the bot features, we have the bot positions. Okay, so it has a bunch of cool features that we can go through. Alright, so down here we have the bot behavior. Okay, so in the beginning, when the user click on the chat bot and they start the conversations, the bot will respond with a voice. Okay, we can enable or disable these voices right here. Speech to text. Okay, and we have some of the features right here. Speech synthesis, we can enable or disable it. We can even enable it in multiple languages. So imagine, right, you have a worker that works 24/7, that never complain with you that it get tired or it's want a day off. It work 24/7 and it speak multiple languages, and it's so smart, it's so responsive that it can add so much value for your business and to your customer business. So this is a great way you can automate your business and automate your customer business. Okay, you guys, as you can see down here, they have the documentations right here. You can click right here to check it out. So I'm not going to go through all the settings and all the features because they have a bunch, and it will make this video so much longer. But basically, after we enter the open AI API key, we can go to our front end of our website, and just like that, the AI chatbot is already right here. We can click right here to chat with it.
Hi, how can I help you?
So the AI just greet you with a voiceover, and you can ask the AI anything, right? You can ask the AI's what's the deal of the day. You can ask how much is a son's dish. You can ask the chatbot if they offer shipping or not. So this is just a great way where you can add so much value for your customers, and they can save so much time and they can save so much money instead of training the worker with like all these informations on the websites. With the AI's automations, it's very responsive and it answers to the customer questions almost instantly. Alright you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I've been building the web hosting business for a few years now, and I think it's one of the best business out there. If you are a website designer, you can easily host your client's website, you can easily manage your client's websites, and you can make recurring monthly income. So it's great because you can generate multiple sources of income by offering website design, by offering marketing services, and by hosting your client's website. Alright you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.